Today we're making grilled chicken from Sam the Cooking Guy's YouTube channel. This is the best chicken I've ever had. These are the ingredients and I'll show you how we make it. About 3/4 of a cup. Next is fish sauce. I know it sounds weird. Do 2 little splashes or 2 teaspoons, tablespoons, a little bit more. Next, some soy sauce. I use gluten-free because I'm gluten-free. About same 2 teaspoons. About a teaspoon, if I can get it off, of thyme. Oh my goodness. I gotta get this off. We're gonna put that one aside. Rosemary. Rosemary. I know I can get this one off. Probably about a teaspoon. Yeah, a little palmful. I really need this, so I need it to open. Oh goodness. There we go. Got it. So same amount, just about a teaspoon of thyme. That was thyme. I don't know if I showed you. It calls for garlic paste, but this is all I could find in the store. So 1, 2, 3 squeezes of that, because who doesn't love garlic? And then next, Dijon mustard. About a teaspoon of that. Next we're going to juice 2 lemons. We don't care about the seeds because this is a marinade. We've done it with 1 lemon and it is definitely better with 2. You don't care about any of that stuff getting in there because it's only a marinade. Get all those juices broken up in there. With my terrible knives, they barely cut anything. I'm gonna put a little pinch of kosher salt, and you definitely want kosher because I don't know. I feel like kosher salt is just better. And then a little pinch of pepper. And then we're going to whisk it together. When you smell it, it doesn't smell great, but I promise it's so good. We're gonna put that to the side and prepare our chicken. I need to clean these things first. Okay. We're just going to get this all cleaned up. This stuff grosses me out, so I just cut it off. I'm only going to do 3 of these because my son won't eat it. He'll have to have barbecue chicken. Does anyone else hate cutting chicken? Because I definitely do. It's so gross. I'm going to leave that one to the side for now because I don't need it. I'm going to wash my hands. Okay, then we're going to get a little plastic bag. Well, a big one. We're going to put one of these bad boys in here. I have to wash my hands again because I'm left-handed. And then get a mallet, and on the soft side, I'm going to move stuff around a little bit. We're just going to pound it out. I actually forgot something, so we're going to take it back a notch. You're supposed to put slits in this top of them, so I don't know if you're supposed to do that before or after you marinate, but I mean before or after you pound it out, but that's how I'm going to do it. Alright, then we're going to put them all back in here. We're going to give this a little judge. Spin it up again. And then pour most of the mixture in here. I keep about a quarter cup of it. Well, sorry, I lied. That's a third. Keep a little bit left. And then let it marinate. I'll stick mine on a plate and stick it in the fridge. I would usually do this earlier. Right now it's 3:45 and we'll most likely eat dinner around like 5:30. I'll leave that to the side. This last little breast here, I'm just going to trim this up. Sorry, this is gross. Ugh. I guess that's good enough. Sorry. I'm gonna move you guys a little bit so I can get my drawer. I'm not gonna cut slits into this one. Just gonna pound. You can even see this a little bit. Pound this guy out. Wash my hands first. Okay, now that that's pounded out, I'm just going to take some barbecue sauce. This is the kind we use. It's gluten-free, so that's what we use. And this is what my son will have. He loves barbecue chicken, so he won't eat the lemon stuff. Just shake some of that in there. Just enough to coat it. It's not going to really do much. I'll put a little bit more when I'm cooking it, and I'll sit this in the fridge until it's dinner time. And I'll be back when we're ready to cook. First, I'm gonna clean this mess up. Before I put this away, this is where we got the recipe from, Sam the Cooking Guy. I'll try to remember to link his channel below. And this is everything you put into it. He explains in more detail what you put in, like quarter cup, 2 teaspoons, 1 teaspoon, and so on. I just eyeball it, and that's how I live my life. So here's that if you want to screenshot it. This, definitely 2 of these, 2 lemons. All this. Stick this in the fridge for later. some bleach since I was messing with chicken. And start to finish, that took about 15 minutes.